For math videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Today we are going to start with the topic of deciles. Yesterday we did quartiles and today we are going to do deciles. So what are deciles actually? Starting from 0 to 100, this is the lowest and this is the highest. This being the center, this is at 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Here it being the 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So when there are 10 parts taken, the first part is known as decile 1, the second part is known as decile 2, the third part is known as decile 3. So D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9. Total from D1 to D9. There are total 9 deciles. How to find deciles? How to find deciles? Okay. Step 1. Find cumulative frequency and prepare a separate column. Okay. Let us take one more example along with the steps. For example, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250. The frequencies given over here are 7, 13, 12, 18. These are the frequency. Now we have the CF. See, the first step is to find the CF and prepare a separate column. How to find the CF? 7 will come over here. 7 plus 13 will come over here. 7 plus 13 is 20. 20 plus 12, that is 32 will come over here. 32 plus 18 will come over here, that is 50. So here the total, when you do it, 7 plus 13, 20 plus 12, 32 plus 18, you get 50 only. So here we have n is equal to 50. As we saw in deciles, there are 10 parts. So we have to do n upon 10. Okay. For decile 1, you have to find n upon 10. For decile 2, you have to find 2 multiplied by n upon 10. For decile 3, you have to find 3 multiplied by n upon 10. For decile 4, you have to find 4 multiplied by n upon 10. Same as till decile 9, you have to find 9 multiplied by n upon 10. And then you have to find the decile class. Step 2. Find n and n upon 10. Step 3. Find decile class. Okay. What does decile class means? For example, you have been said that you have to find D6 you have to find. So for D6 you have to find 6 multiplied by n upon 10. That is 6 multiplied by 50 upon 10. 6 into 5 are 1 are 5. So this will be 30. હવે તમારે 30 નંબરનો ક્લાસ જોવાનો અહીંયા. 30 comes between here. So this, after that This will be your decile class. This will be your decile class for find the decile class. And step 4, apply formula. Okay. What does formula say? Formula is same as quartile. For example, D of J is equal to L plus J n upon 10 minus CF upon F whole multiplied by C. यहाँ पे D6 दिया गया है तो L plus 6 n upon 10 minus CF upon F multiplied by C. So let us see what is L over here. We have to find 5 things. L, n upon 10, CF, F and C. What is L over here? 150. What is 6 into n upon 10? 30. What is CF? CF is just above. This is CF. 20. What is F? 12. And what is class length? 50. We got all the 5 things and now you have to find the decile. So D6 is equal to 150 plus 30 minus 20 upon the frequency that we got 12 multiplied by 50. Because class length is 50, the gap is 50. 150 plus 10 upon 12 multiplied by 50. When you solve this, at that time, you have to reduce 2 5s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 2 25s are. So this will be 5 multiplied by 25, that is 125, divided by 3, you get 41.6. 150 plus 41.6, it comes up to 191.6. This will be your answer. This is how we have to find deciles. I have found for D6, but in exams it can come from D1 to D9. Any question it can be asked. So whenever there is D6 over here, you have to put 6. If it is D7, you put 7. If it is D3, you put 3. Similarly, for finding the class also, you have to find 3n upon 10 if it is D3. So this is the topic for deciles.